Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to block iMessage on iPhone. So let's dive right in. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. It's the familiar blue and white speech bubble icon you likely use to send and receive text messages and iMessages. Locate a message thread from the person you want to block. This could be an existing conversation or a new message. Tap on the contact's name or profile picture at the top of the message window. This reveals more information about the contact, such as their name, profile picture, and any mutual friends you have. Scroll down until you see options related to managing your communication with this contact. Look for an option labeled Block this caller or Block contact. Tap Block this caller or Block contact. A confirmation pop-up might appear, asking you to confirm your decision. Tapping Block or Block contact again will solidify the block. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.